Oh, yeah. Here's one. Here's a fun one. Look at this tweet. This tweet absolutely blew up. I had to take notice of this tweet.
Yeah.
Because it has 508. It might be the hottest. I think it's the hottest tweet in the last 24 hours. Doesn't matter who.
Yeah, it was at 400,000 this morning.
Exactly. Just flying. This tweet is flying. 508,000 likes. You can see it going up in real time. The user Spaceyon. Spaceyon?
Sure.
Yeah, all right. He tweets out, Netflix got to add a comment section too. I want to know if this movie is worth watching or not. Very casual tweet, no caps. 51,000 retweets, over 3,000 quote tweets, and then 500,000 likes. I guess people love this idea, and I think Netflix should take note. 500,000 people on that tweet should be an indicator of a real demand.
Mm-hmm.
And you got to come with a supply. Although, as you see on YouTube, the comment section keeps getting diminished. Like on mobile, it keeps getting buried further and further down, or like beneath clicks. It seems to me that the comment section on the internet is under attack. If anything, it's not expanding.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, there's sites like Reddit, which are still primarily comment driven, but I can't imagine Netflix adding comments. But it's an amazing. Imagine the experience of being on Netflix with comments. Maybe where you could have comment, like some of the Chinese sites do, like Bilibili. When I was going to watch my videos over there that had been transcoded, and comments, you could turn it on or off, but at pertinent moments, highly thumbs up comments would actually come on the screen.
Oh, so it's like kind of like SoundCloud, where it's
Kinda like
time
SoundCloud.
stamped.
Oh, cool.
Kind of like so if you're lonely watching stuff on your own, like a movie or something, and you have your react, and then you see somebody's comment, or maybe it's something novel that you didn't think of, and then the comment comes on. He's talking about comments like reviews, user reviews, basically.
Right.
You
So
can
you could-
follow the people that reviewed it.
Or
maybe?
just see what other people are saying about a show.
Right.
Like, you got to watch this, or kind of like Amazon reviews or
But
something
if I
this.
like a reviewer, it'd be cool if I can
Follow?
see- yeah.
Yeah,
follow
I mean, these are all interesting ideas. Netflix is at a point right now where they've definitely got to innovate. Subscriber growth isn't what it was. They've been raising prices. I mean, we've seen the sentiment on the channel anytime we talk about
competition. too.
competition. Yeah, exactly. There's so many options now. So I wonder if they start thinking about tweaking the platform in that way. And if they take note of tweets like this that are flying, as far as people wanting to have more of a social element around how they use Netflix. Because if you think about it, when it comes to a Netflix show, getting started on something, choosing to watch is half the battle. And if you're ever with other people, they'd be saying, hey, I recommend that or not that. And inevitably, like, you like to have a recommendation when you're going to invest hours into something.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I think your idea of like the timestamp is a good idea, because maybe you can get like director's comments, like director's commentary, or what's that? Mike Flanagan, he had that Hill House Netflix show, and it has a lot of like secretive stuff, like tidbits and like things that you look,
Easter egg type
things
stuff?
you look out for,
Okay.
and it would be great for people to kind of just comment and stuff that you miss.
Play along. Or if you go back to Mo's idea of following certain other viewers on Netflix, then you could maybe have it where it's your own social graph.
Right.
Yeah.
So then it's like watching with friends, because their comments are the only ones you see. So you're only going to see approved comments. So you're not going to have like the open web, and maybe that's tougher
Right.
to govern. It could just be like you and a dozen other approved people that you can't watch with physically.
Yeah. So it's not bombarded either with comments.
It's possible. These are ideas for Netflix, courtesy of Twitter.